This is your Weather Extreme video for Friday, June the 19th, TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. And the heat's off just a little bit. We'll take all the heat we can get. There's a look at our Birmingham Skycam this morning, and we have mostly clear skies across central Alabama, but a few little patches of some clouds. We're still dealing with this surface pattern that includes the remnants of Bill over north central Arkansas as it moves across the Ohio River Valley today and tonight and into Saturday, and then eventually off the mid-Atlantic coast. In the upper atmosphere, we can see the reflection of Bill with the little open trough and the closed low that we see over northern Arkansas. And again, that will be traversing across into the mid-Atlantic states, and that will be giving us at least a little better chance for some showers today and early Saturday. Temperatures across central Alabama, warm once again, as most spots are in the 70s. Just a little bit cooler off to the the northeast, where we see some upper 60s. Radar showing some of the showers with Bill, and it looks like some of those showers will trail across the northern third of Alabama, especially north of the Interstate 20 corridor. Flash flood watch is still in effect. That's those green areas along the main track of Bill, and still some heat advisories along the Southeast U.S. coast. Rainfall amounts are getting less with Bill now, as an additional rain of on the order of 2 to 3 inches are possible for the next 5 days. Severe weather risk is primarily across parts of the Dakotas, Wyoming, and Montana, and that is where the westerlies are moving very quickly, and so we see that on day 2, that would be Saturday, the slight risk moves over towards Chicago and parts of Iowa, Illinois, and northern Missouri. And fortunately, the tropics are quiet across the board, with no suspicious areas being watched, so no development expected over the next several days. All right, we'll take a look at the 060 GFS model run, and here comes the remnants of Bill today, and that's going to provide a little better chance for rain, especially along and north of the I-20 corridor, and it looks like the rain chances will move through on Saturday, and probably we'll see rain possibilities in the morning, some showers possibility in the morning, and showers should be decreasing by afternoon as the remnants of Bill begins to move further away from us, and you can see the reflection of that across parts of Tennessee and Kentucky. By Sunday, Bill is moving off the mid-Atlantic states, and now the large 594 ridge is raising its ugly head, and that is likely to move our way and suppress convection as we see the heat rise up as we head into next week. And that's the story for next week. Here's Monday, the upper air pattern. We see that 594 ridge moving in. Tuesday, the 594 ridge stronger yet. Wednesday, the 594 ridge bulging all the way from the Four Corners area all the way across to the Southeast U.S. coast. And once again, that's going to keep showers pretty limited through the first part of the week, in one of those things where we'll probably have to mention isolated showers with every forecast. By the time we reach Thursday, we're beginning to show some signs that the ridge will break down a little bit as we see a fairly strong trough coming into the western Great Lakes area, and the ridge beginning to break down, and that could spell a little bit better shot for rain as we head into the latter part of next week. And by the time we get out to 300 hours and get out into voodoo country, the GFS is still maintaining this idea of a fairly substantial trough over the eastern half of the country as we head into the 1st of July. So it looks like the end of June, 1st of July, we might see a bit of a pattern change. This pattern is nice because it would mean a cooler pattern for much of the eastern half of the country. Pretty good heat for the west, unfortunately. And also, this northwesterly flow pattern means we might see some embedded thunderstorms in the northwesterly flow that might move out of the central plains and move all the way down into the southeastern U.S. So it's large clusters of thunderstorms, mesoscale convective complexes, or mesoscale convective systems. So we'll have to be keeping a wary eye on that. Well, that'll do it for the Weather Extreme video for this morning. I expect to have the next one posted Saturday morning. In the meantime, stay tuned to the blog for notes on Alabama's ever-changing weather patterns. Have a great day, and Godspeed.